Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I wanted to come on and do a vegan potato salad recipe. It's not the traditional type of potato salad that we're used to, but it is really delicious. This recipe I got from Natural ZuZu. She's on Instagram, or at least I follow her on Instagram, and her recipes are just bomb. I mean, her cooking and her recipes are like artwork, and I wish that I could do the same things that she does, but I cannot. So I will have her information linked down in the description box below. This recipe is simple and it's tasty, and it is awesome for cookouts. I've used it myself, and everybody that I made it for, they just love it. You can either use yellow or red small potatoes, and again, it's not like the traditional recipe. It's something more. But it's really tasty. You guys will love it if you try it. I'm gonna get everything set up and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and I have all the ingredients. I'm making the full recipe of this potato salad because I'm going to share. But the recipe, it calls for the 2 pounds of either red or yellow potatoes, 1 cup of fresh or frozen corn, 1 diced red onion. You guys can see that. Oh, it's already fallen in. Shredded carrots, or 2 shredded carrots, a handful of chopped fresh dill, and then 2 pickled jalapenos. We'll just dice them. Salt and pepper. Paprika. Sorry for the cleaning, guys. Paprika. Mustard. And I have the 365 yellow organic. I don't know, it's not focusing for some reason. It might be too close. Okay. A vegan mayo. And this is the one that I use. I use the Wildwood one. And it's the zesty garlic. And then the 365 plant-based Parmesan style cheese. And that is it, guys. So we're going to start mixing everything together. I'm gonna add corn in. Diced onion. I might not add all this onion in because this is a lot of onion. And it says 1, so I mean it's 1, but it just seems like it's a lot. It seems like it's a lot to me. The shredded carrots. And part of the one the flour. And the dill. This is a handful of dill. And I'll put the recipe down in the description box as always, guys. The pickled diced jalapenos. And I might have to end up transferring this out of this bowl because it looks like it's kind of getting smaller and smaller. So I think I will go ahead and do that right now. Salt and pepper. And you know what? I don't think I showed you guys. I didn't show you the brand of jalapenos that I got. This is the Jeff's Garden pickled jalapeno peppers. So I picked these up from Whole Foods. A teaspoon of the paprika. I showed this to you guys already. And hopefully I won't be too heavy-handed. Okay, let's just let that be enough. Because I don't want red potato salad. A tablespoon of the organic mustard. I'm going to shake it up first. Uh-oh. Okay. And then a tablespoon of the Parmesan, the plant-based Parmesan style cheese. half a cup of the vegan mayo. And I think the last time I made it, I may have used a little bit more. Because with me, I kind of use less or more depending on, you know, if I need more or if I like a certain product and more of it. So, but I think it just needed a little more. Do like a little quick taste to see what I may need more of. I'm not gonna do a whole potato. I think more mayo again, and then maybe a little salt and pepper. So I'll just do like a tablespoon. Add a few more onions, and then maybe a few more carrots. But I absolutely love this recipe. And if you guys try it, I hope that you do too. So this is the vegan potato salad recipe right here. And it is really, really delicious. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're going to try this recipe or if you have another recipe that you'd like to share. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.